Hello everybody and welcome back. A lot of you may remember these guys I made a while ago. These are the Ultimate Web Shooters. Me and Spider Slayer made these guys. These worked with these flask cartridges, but unfortunately they really didn't hold too much pressure. You can see here these factory welded seams are angle grinded, and it appears that there's a lot of nicks and nooks and crannies. And I even tried to braze the bottoms of them and the tops of them to help with that, but it really didn't work out. So then I found these. These are coffin flasks. They're honestly made out of a lot better of a material, and the seams are well covered up and well put together, so I think they'll hold a lot of pressure. Now looking at these, they really reminded me of Marvel's Ultimate Spider-Man cartoon. In canon, Peter made these original Ultimate Web Shooters, and me and Spider Slayer made our own version of them, and they worked really great aside from the leakage. The pilot episode, Nick Fury gives Spider-Man an upgraded web shooter, and looking at it and the size of it, I think that we can make something fit. So that's what I've done here in Tinkercad. I modeled up as best as I could, screen accurate design. This is a 4-piece system with the shell, the arm, and the trigger, also the nozzle. It's not 100% accurate, but it's pretty close. So here's the main body, the main shell. Kind of looks like a little spaceship flying through the air. It fits on the wrist nicely. A little bulky, but so is the one in the show. And the coffin slipped right in, no problem. And I printed them really tight so they don't fall out. So next is this lid. We're just going to do it the same way as the Ultimates, and we're going to repurpose a butane valve, and I've just epoxied it into the top like so. And now we're going to copy the same nozzle design. Okay, so here's all the parts printed out. Here's the shell, the arm, the trigger. We've already seen the shell. Now here's the trigger arm. Same one as the Ultimate. The trigger itself. A little pin. And these are these cool aluminum buckles that I found on Amazon. Some elastic strap. Some nylon strap. Hot glue gun. So basically we just put the pin through. Cut off the excess. Cut a little strip of nylon. Burn the fray edge. Feed it through the buckle. Looks something like this. Grab your hot glue gun and your elastic band and just make a little crease in it like so. And fill that with hot glue. Press down firmly. Now we're going to put some glue on the nylon part. And glue that to our elastic fold. Do the same to the other side. And you should have something that looks like this. No sewing required. We're going to feed that through the loops of the shell. And we're just going to get kind of an eyeball measurement of how big our wrists are. Doesn't have to be 100% perfect because this is elastic. so we'll have some stretch to it. Here I am doing the exact same thing to the other side, and there we have it. Test fit, it's good to go. Put in the cartridge, and we'll attach the trigger. It looks great. Alright, now I think we can give this sucker a good paint job. And here we are. Nice chrome paint on the red, matches the cartridge. Put the trigger on, and here we go. Now that this is done, we'll make a duplicate and we'll work on the mounts.
Fury's tech boys better be on their game or I'm street pizza. Christian club.